everyone. Welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a collective reading about love or romantic situation. Let us see kung ano yung mga energies and messages for the collective. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. Don't forget to tap the bell para ma-notify kayo of the new videos from this channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Let us see kung ano yung mga energies and messages for the collective, please, in terms of love and romantic situation. So we have toxicity. Toxic relationships can drain your energy and self-worth. Be aware. Imperfections. Love is a beautiful mess. Embrace its imperfections. Okay. We have this energy, attraction. You are attracting the right person at the right time into your life. Wow. Okay. You must be an attractive person as well. Boundaries. Love may challenge your boundaries. Protect them. Okay. For some of you are in toxic relationship, kailangang pag-usapan. Okay. May mga challenges in the situation. Tingnan natin yung messages from the tarot. So you are attracting love, okay, for some of you. Be prepared. Be open to it, okay. Yung person ninyo, gusto ka na talaga i-win. Gusto niya i-win ang inyong tiwala. Okay? Mahal ka ng taong ito. Marami na siyang challenges na pagdaanan. Okay? Pero hindi siya give up para sa inyo. Mahal ka ng person na to. Nag-overthink siya, nag-worry about the situation. Okay? Mahal mo rin yung taong ito. Okay. You want to grow the relationship with him or her. Yeah. Gusto mo ring ipaglaban. Meron kang plans. Gusto mo magkaroon ng direction sa inyong relationship. Kahit anong mga challenges pa ang darating sa inyong relasyon, naniniwala ka sa inyong pagmamahalan, okay? Yeah. Okay. Gusto mo magkaroon ng stable, okay, and security in the relationship. But there is something wrong with your person. Meron siyang mga iniisip. Okay? Siguro may mga worries siya kung paano niya ipaglaban ang inyong relasyon. Pero mahal ka ng taong ito. Okay? There is true love in the relationship. But there are boundaries as well. This person is willing to fight for you. Okay. Kailangan niya magkaroon ng confidence at magtiwala. Okay? Merong nagpa-bother sa kanya. You might be dealing with an air sign. Meron siyang tinatago na dahilan pero hindi niya ito masabi or ma-express sa inyo kung ano yung problema niya. Pero, willing siya ipaglaban, kaya niyang ipaglaban ang inyong relasyon. Meron lang bumabagabag sa isip niya. Merong boundaries na parang sa ngayon, hindi niya pa kaya panindigan. Okay? Hindi niya pa kaya panindigan ang inyong pagmamahalan or ang inyong relationship. Maybe you are also dealing with a two-person. Okay. You have a wonderful career. Maganda yung status ninyo sa trabaho. Okay. You are a successful person when it comes to money. When it comes to your career. You have stability. You have focus. Okay. You love this person as well, pero parang hindi mo pa na-express din yung tunay mong nararamdaman sa kanya. Okay? Gusto mo mag-grow ang inyong relationship? Yung problema is parang merong nililihim yung tao na to sa inyo. Okay? Hindi pa niya nasasabi sa inyo kung ano yung nangyayari sa kanyang sitwasyon, na nagbibigay sa kanya ng worry, na parang hindi siya mapakali. Gusto kanya ipaglaban, pero ang hirap. Pero gusto niya i-win ang inyong relationship. Mahal ka ng taong ito. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Okay. This person is heartbroken and kailangan niya i-let go kung ano man yung mga past experience or yung nangyayari sa kanya na disappointment. Okay? Maybe in the past, this person was betrayed. Merong deception na nangyari sa part niya and he or she cannot get over it. Merong deception, okay, or dishonesty na nangyayari. Okay, and ito yung problema. On your side, you feel good about the situation. Ang problema mo lang is nararamdaman mo na meron siyang tinatago. Okay? Na para bang okay sana ang lahat eh. Hindi naman kailangan na maging mahirap ang lahat. Okay? Kung nagiging open lang and expressive sa kanyang nararamdaman or sa kanyang sitwasyon, kung naging honest lang. Okay? But this person is just keeping it to himself, okay? Or to herself. Meron siyang mga pinagdadaanan, okay? Ay pinoproblema siya. Maybe at work, he or she is not that secured. Unlike you, maganda ang katayuan ninyo sa work, sa trabaho, merong financial stability. Okay? It's like kailangan ng person na to mag-keep up. There is no doubt merong malalim na pagmamahalan. Merong true love, okay? Pero may part sa kanya na kailangan niyang i-communicate, kailangan niyang i-reveal sa inyo. And this is something na nagbabother sa kanya, nagwo-worry. What will happen kung sasabihin ko to sa kanya? Okay? You have a lot of love for this person, pero hindi ka din ganun ka-expressive. You want to grow the relationship. Okay? You are a hardworking person, very creative. You are ambitious, okay? May mga plano ka para sa inyong dalawa. Or even sa family mo or ikaw mismo, may mga plans ka. You are financially well off, okay? Maybe you have your own business. You have properties already, okay? Or lands. You are an entrepreneur. Your person is heartbroken. Pag hindi to napag-usapan, kung hindi maging expressive, hindi magkakaroon ng direksyon or ng stability ang inyong relationship. Walang clarity, parang hindi alam kung anong patutunguhan or anong direksyon ng relationship kung walang communication. Okay? Kung walang honesty na nangyayari, someone must be expressive and honest sa kanyang sitwasyon. Kasi deserve ng isang tao na maging honest or kung ano yung nangyayari sa kanyang person. Okay, be fair. Kung ano man tong tinatago ng person ninyo, and this is something na kailangan ninyong malaman. Okay? The relationship doesn't have to be difficult. Okay? Kailangan ng person mo rin ng pangunawa sa side mo. Okay? Make time for him or her. Merong insecurities na nangyayari, but this person wants to is trying, okay, na maging okay ang relasyon. You are a goal-oriented person, okay? Maaaring nahirapan na rin sa buhay niya financially or may problema sa trabaho yung person ninyo. And he or she is chasing his dreams. Pero kung gusto ka niya at talagang mahal ka niya, kailangan maging determinado din siya. Maging expressive and honest sa inyo. Okay? And kailangan din ng inyong pangunawa sa kanyang sitwasyon if ever mag-open up siya. Okay. Someone needs to heal from past experiences, from disappointments and hurt. Maybe your person hindi pa nakaget over sa kanyang past, okay? And heartbroken pa rin siya. Pero hindi niya lang masabi sa inyo kasi mahal ka rin niya, okay? And ayaw niya na maapektuhan ka. But this person really loves you, okay? Merong true love between you two. Nag-overthink lang din and kailangan lang maging honest ng person ninyo sa inyo to make things, to make your relationship grow and become stronger. Okay? Kailangan ng transparency. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga hidden truths. Hidden truths. Hidden truths for the collective, please. Hidden truths for the collective. Hidden truths for the collective. Fighting out the truth crushed me. I look for you everywhere. These are random messages for the collective. What's the truth? What are the hidden truths? I remember every detail of that day. You speak to me through music. Okay. Naaalala ka ng person ninyo through music. Mayroong truth na kailangan i-share sa inyo. I knew exactly what I was doing. Okay. I'm starting to understand our connection. Okay. So, these are the messages for the collective. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.